Hey guys, how's it going? How to choose between free and premium email on Hostinger. So first of all, go ahead to the official website. Make sure that you buy the best plan to get a free domain, free website migration, and 24/7 customer support. And if you want to buy the best plan, please visit the link in the description box. Now, what we're gonna do, if you want to choose between free and premium email on Hostinger, each new Hostinger email account created as a part of the free account included in your Hostinger plan, right? And with 1 GB storage for each mailbox, which is more than enough for the average user. Well, if you're looking for more storage and security, you can upgrade your account to Business Starter or Business Premium, right? If you want to know like what are the advantages of upgrading, enterprise grade spam and phishing protection for incoming and outgoing emails, the same used by Google and Microsoft Outlook, more inbound and outbound email capacity. You can find comprehensive comparison there between the parameters and limits of hosting your email. If you want to just upgrade, open the email section and click manage next to your domain, and you can create a new email for your domain for free, or upgrade your email plan if you want more storage, more security. And for Business Starter, for example, you get 10 GB and 50 GB with Business Premium per each email account. All right, if you want to purchase an email plan separately in case you don't have a hosting plan yet, or you only need email hosting, you can purchase an email plan only. All you need to do is open the email section and select get a new email plan, and there you'll be able to choose a business email plan, the number of email accounts you wish to purchase, and the billing period. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.